Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to remove the removable storage devices folder on your Windows computer desktop screen, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedures. First of all, right click in the open space and select refresh. If this helps, well and good. If not, then you will have to restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. If this does not help either, then right click on the removable storage folder and select delete to delete it. After this, you can also use third-party file deleter software products which are free of cost. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.